In this video, we're going to show you how to pair the Yealink BH70 to a BT51 replacement dongle. When you order the BH70, it comes pre-paired to the BT51 dongle in the box. However, should you lose that dongle and you need to know how to pair a replacement dongle to this headset, that's what this video is going to show you. Check it out. So the first thing you want to do is download Yealink USB Connect. When you download Yealink USB Connect, you're going to have access to the dongle and the headset. And as you can see, when you first buy the Yealink BH70, it's going to come pre-paired to the BT51. And so when you click to see more information about the BT51, you can come down here to pair management. And here you're going to see that it's currently paired to the Yealink BH70. Again, this is how it came out of the box. And then I'm going to show you how to pair a BH70 to a brand new BT51. Now we have the BT51 Bluetooth dongle, and as you can see here under pair management, it's currently not paired to anything. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your BH70 and you want to turn it on and put it into pairing mode. So you can turn it on and then you can press up towards the Bluetooth symbol until it goes into pairing mode. And so then you're going to come over into your Yealink USB Connect here, and you're going to have it search. And as you can see, now it's in pairing mode, and now you can come up here and you can actually pair, and you'll see that it's successfully been connected. And so now my Yealink BH70 is connected to the BT51 dongle. There you go. There's a quick video showing you how to pair a BH70 to a replacement or new BT51 dongle. If you have any other questions about Yealink headsets or want to try a Yealink headset, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.